Can I do the new Popeyes chicken sandwich?
The classic or spicy?
I'll do the spicy.
Just the sandwich?
I can get it as a I'll do it with fries.
Do it with a side?
Yes.
Alright then, you said fries?
Yes.
Alright then.
And that's all.
So I've just got that spicy chicken sandwich with fries.
Yes.
So it's gonna be $6.46. And
Thank you.
Sauce with that?
Just hot sauce, please.
Hot sauce?
Thank you so much.
There you go.
I don't even know if I can wait. Like, I feel like just pulling over, going on live, and just eating it. Oh, I should have got some ranch. I didn't even think about that. Should I go inside and get some ranch? My fries. Ooh, these fries. I never had Popeyes fries before. I ain't even lying.
2 hours later.
I'm getting a little closer to home, but I just have to say something. When did Popeyes get good fries? How come nobody told me? And these fries are bomb. Woo! You gotta stop. Like, I'm gonna show them to you. I gotta show you. Gotta see this. You need to see. I gotta save one for my video. But look at this. You see how perfectly seasoned this fry? This is perfectly seasoned. If your fry is not perfectly seasoned like this, you don't know. I don't even need ranch. I thought I needed ranch. I don't even need ranch. I'm mad. I didn't get a bigger fry. Look at this. This one too. Look at this. Crisp. Like, it's fresh. Like, listen. Let me turn this air off so you can hear that. You hear that? You see how perfectly seasoned that is? It's making me mad because it's so good. I'm mad at how good this sandwich. I might put this on YouTube. Like, this is how good this is. Like, look at that. You know, it's not too greasy, but it's, you know, you could. Oh. Woo! I'm so mad. All these years I've been eating at Popeyes. Not regularly, don't get me wrong. But all these years, and nobody ever told me about their fries. This is ridiculous. They didn't even give me a napkin, and I'm not mad at them. I'm not mad. Because they wanted me to lick the grease off my fingers, and I would, but I'm not. I'm classy. I'm not doing that. Not today. You know when you think you ran out of fries, and then you find a little bit more, a couple more at the bottom, and they still hot. Oh, they still hot. I'm almost home. I know I'm smacking y'all. I'm so sorry. Come on. There we go. I'm so close to being home. I'm so excited. I might still eat in the car just off of principle because I'm hungry. I want to eat this sandwich. I want to do it on Instagram Live so you guys can see my authentic, natural reaction. So here it goes. So one of the things I was talking about. So I never knew how good Popeyes fries were. No one ever told me. I'm about to do it. I'm about to do it. I'm so excited right now. Okay. So first of all, we're gonna look at how big this sandwich is. Now this is fresh. Okay, so you see how big this sandwich is? And I got the spicy. Okay, we're gonna look at this. I'm gonna examine it. We're gonna make sure it's quality. Okay, we do got the pickles on there. 2 pickles. I'm so excited. So excited. Ready? So yeah, this is, look how big this is. I'm sweating. Okay. Oh my goodness. I'm about to cry. This sandwich is so good. I ain't never gonna lose no weight. I'm sweating. Neighbors looking at me because I'm in my driveway. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. For real, y'all. Popeyes ain't paying me, but they can. Oh my goodness. And I didn't even eat this right away. Like, I drove home. Oh my goodness. Look, chicken on. It's crisp. Look at this, I'm gonna show y'all. Look at that. This is crisp. It smells amazing. Let's see if it got a. Oh my goodness. I really feel like crying. Like, I'm not even playing. I'm about to cry. Everything. Oh my god. For real, you gotta try it. At least once. This is a cheat day, cheat meal. And this bread, it's like buttery. The pickle, it's like a little soggy, like you put on your hamburger. Oh my goodness. Popeyes. Wendy's, I'm sorry. Chick-fil-A, sorry. Arby's trying to enter the mix. Sorry. Like, I'm trying not to smack y'all, I promise. Oh, they did give me a napkin. They gave me a napkin. Oh my goodness. This Popeyes crispy hot chicken sandwich. Boy, you better. Okay. Now the line, we gotta wait in line now, 30 minutes, maybe 15. All right, y'all gotta get in the house. And these fries, nobody told me how bomb their fries were. Nobody told me. Nobody. But this, all right, y'all, I gotta go. I gotta go get in the house before my husband come outside. Like, why are you outside in the car?